How to post on Twitter. If any day you would like to post on your Twitter account or your X account but do not know how to do that, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not, you have to launch the very Twitter account or the X account on your very mobile device. In order to do so, you have to launch the very X application on your mobile device. In order to launch the very X application on your mobile device, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device. After you go to the search icon on your mobile device, you have to search X out there. After you search X out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very X application. After you tap on the very X application, you can see an interface like this. Now in order to post anything on your X application out there, you have to go to the plus icon on the downside. After you tap on the very plus icon on the downside, you can go to the option of post. And after you tap on the option of the post, now you can see an interface like this. You have to tap on the option of got it. Now in order to tap any of the posts, you can write anything. For example, hello, I am fine. And after you write all of those things, if you want to keep any of the pictures or any of the GIFs, you can also put it up. I do not want to put any of the photos or GIF, therefore I directly go to the option of post. You can do the same, and after that you have to go to the option of got it, and this way your post will be posted on the very X account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.